how can we work on our, how can we maintain a positive mental health? Because
and so everyone needs help at some point. At some point in their lives. I remember I was on my own. Yeah,
you know, somebody is affected by what's going on down south.
Yeah, so I just want us to not to forget about anybody. You know, like as my son says, Mom, we'll be pack our bags for Christmas to hand out our hats with toques and gloves and socks. They already have their boxes packed. That's his gift. When they go downtown and hand out all those things and things like that.
Our conversation today is facing the truth, leaning into hurts, pains, and reorganizing truths of situations. Actually, you know what?
My appetite just...
Of course.
You know, so a little thing counts. And
absolutely.
I just want to help in any way I can to help somebody else to make a difference. But I was very happy to see people who are there waiting to come home, and they were literally cleaning the hotel and sweeping water out and all that stuff.
Yes.
And these are not... I was very, 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 very touched to see that was happening.
Yes.
They were using the room to sweep water out of the hotels and saying, listen, we're not going to leave you like this. We're here. We can't go anywhere. We're safe. Might as well help. And I'm really, Natasha, it's really nice that you're saying you're helping others on the street. Yes, we do have our own conflicts here, but we do need to help our brothers and sisters on the street. And I think there's another time that which I love to do, our church, rice.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
Absolutely, because that is a lot of money. Food is really expensive.
I just want to bless him. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I just want to bless him.
Wow.
You know, life gets busy, and you know, circumstances unfortunately sometimes cause people to drift apart. But
and the holiday season coming up, mental health is going to get really worse this next couple of weeks.
Yeah.
And I get to know you. I can carry a conversation. I can speak very well. So I'm just going to ask you to do that.
You know, and it's hard as somebody who's currently fundraising for themselves. It's hard to ask for money.
It really,
in today's current economy, it's
really,
really hard to say. If you have it in people, don't. If you have it in your heart to give, please do. But I think what a lot of people don't realize about donations is when you're donating to a nonprofit, you get a tax receipt.
Exactly.
And that tax receipt, you can file it with your taxes, and you get a portion of that donation back. I'm pretty sure what that tax receipt or that amount of money is not. I'm not 100% sure, but
no, absolutely.
So many of those in the past I've donated.
Thank you, guys. I'm resting a good night. Have a good night. Thank you. Yes, I enjoy being with you guys too.
I look forward to this every week.
Likewise. Yeah, I do too.
Yeah.
Good night. Have a good weekend, guys. Bless you.
Bye, Audrey.
Bye-bye.
See you next week.
Looking forward to it. Bless you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.